The smell of pancakes and waffles in the morning is unmistakable, but it's the maple syrup that makes breakfast something special. Maple syrup is more than a breakfast treat. You can use it for a variety of scrumptious dishes, like maple baked beans, a delectable glaze for salmon, or as a sweetener in salad dressing. You can even use maple syrup as a substitute for sugar in many desserts. While many people think of Vermont for maple syrup, some of the best syrup in the country is produced right here in Minnesota. You can find many delicious brands at your local farmer's market. I'm joined by Carole Johnson, who is going to teach us how to make a maple custard that you can serve during the holidays or any special day when a sweet treat will finish the meal on the right note. Carole, there are so many choices for maple syrup if you go to the store, but why is it good to use local syrup?
Because our climate and our soil type make delicious maple syrup. The recipe is real easy. You just need these 5 ingredients: maple syrup, cream, vanilla, salt, eggs. Mix it, put it in a ramekin, and then the ramekins are put in a bath of hot water and baked.
Carole, is this custard something we eat alone, or can we use it for something else?
It has several other uses, like you can use it as filling in a cake, you can use it in a pie, but it certainly is good eaten alone also.
And for this recipe and more information on Minnesota maple syrup, go to minnesotagrown.com. There you'll find a host of local producers where you can get some of the most delicious syrup in the whole country.